What if you could invest in hundreds of companies with just one click? That's exactly what ETFs allow you to do. And today, I'll explain it in just 5 minutes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we simplify money, investing, and wealth building. If you're new to investing, this video is perfect for you. So make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of an ETF like a basket of investments. Instead of buying one stock, you're buying a collection of stocks all at once. For example, an ETF might include companies like Apple, Microsoft, and many more, all inside one fund. So when you buy one ETF, you automatically invest in multiple companies. ETFs are traded on the stock market, just like normal stocks. This means you can buy and sell them anytime during market hours. Prices go up and down throughout the day. One popular type is an S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the performance of the top 500 companies. So instead of guessing which company will win, you invest in the entire market. Here's why ETFs are perfect for beginners.
Diversification. Your money is spread across many companies. Lower risk. You're not depending on one stock. Low cost. Most ETFs have very low fees. Simple, easy to understand, and invest. Even legendary investor Warren Buffett recommends index fund investing for most beginners.
Let's say you have $100.
Option 1. You invest in one company, which means high risk. Option 2. You invest in an ETF, which means your money is spread across many companies. Which one sounds safer? That's why most beginners start with ETFs. Getting started is simple. Open a brokerage or investment app. Search for ETFs like S&P 500 ETFs. Invest your first $50 or $100. Keep investing regularly. Consistency is more important than amount. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Trying to get rich quickly. Investing without understanding. Stopping after small losses. Remember, investing is a long-term game. So here's the simple idea. ETFs equals easy, low cost, and beginner-friendly investing. If you're just starting your journey, ETFs are one of the smartest ways to begin. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple finance lessons. And comment below. Do you prefer stocks or ETFs? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.